Master English tenses in minutes. Learn how verbs change from present to past, fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. To eat. I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I ate breakfast at 8.
I ate breakfast at 8.
To go. She goes to school.
She goes to school.
She went to school.
She went to school.
To play. We play football on Sundays.
We play football on Sundays.
We played football on Sundays.
We played football on Sundays.
To read. He reads a book.
He reads a book.
He read a book.
He read a book.
To watch. They watch TV.
They watch TV.
They watched TV.
They watched TV.
To write. I write a letter.
I write a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I wrote a letter.
To drive. You drive to work.
You drive to work.
You drove to work.
You drove to work.
To cry. The baby cries loudly.
The baby cries loudly.
The baby cried loudly.
The baby cried loudly.
To sing. She sings beautifully.
She sings beautifully.
She sang beautifully.
She sang beautifully.
To run. He runs every morning.
He runs every morning.
He ran every morning.
He ran every morning.
To make. I make tea.
I make tea.
I made tea.
I made tea.
To cook. We cook dinner.
We cook dinner.
We cooked dinner.
We cooked dinner.
To open. You open the window.
You open the window.
You opened the window.
You opened the window.
To clean. They clean the room.
They clean the room.
They cleaned the room.
They cleaned the room.
To buy. She buys groceries.
She buys groceries.
She bought groceries.
She bought groceries.
To bring. I bring a gift.
I bring a gift.
I brought a gift.
I brought a gift.
To draw. He draws a picture.
He draws a picture.
He drew a picture.
He drew a picture.
To cut. She cuts the paper.
She cuts the paper.
She cut the paper.
She cut the paper.
To build. We build a house.
We build a house.
We built a house.
We built a house.
To break. They break the glass.
They break the glass.
They broke the glass.
They broke the glass.
To find. I find my keys.
I find my keys.
I found my keys.
I found my keys.
To give. He gives her a flower.
He gives her a flower.
He gave her a flower.
He gave her a flower.
To have. She has a dog.
She has a dog.
She had a dog.
She had a dog.
To hear. We hear the noise.
We hear the noise.
We heard the noise.
We heard the noise.
To hold. They hold hands.
They hold hands.
They held hands.
They held hands.
To keep. I keep my promise.
I keep my promise.
I kept my promise.
I kept my promise.
To know. You know the answer.
You know the answer.
You knew the answer.
You knew the answer.
To leave. She leaves early.
She leaves early.
She left early.
She left early.
To lose. He loses his phone.
He loses his phone.
He lost his phone.
He lost his phone.
To meet. I meet my friend.
I meet my friend.
I met my friend.
I met my friend.
To pay. We pay the bill.
We pay the bill.
We paid the bill.
We paid the bill.
To put. They put the books away.
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 To read. She reads the news.
She reads the news.
She read the news.
She read the news.
To ride. He rides a bike.
He rides a bike.
He rode a bike.
He rode a bike.
To say. I say hello.
I say hello.
I said hello.
I said hello.
To see. We see the stars.
We see the stars.
We saw the stars.
We saw the stars.
To sell. They sell fruits.
They sell fruits.
They sold fruits.
They sold fruits.
To send. She sends a message.
She sends a message.
She sent a message.
She sent a message.
To sit. I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
I sat on the chair.
I sat on the chair.
To speak. He speaks clearly.
He speaks clearly.
He spoke clearly.
He spoke clearly.
To stand. We stand in line.
We stand in line.
We stood in line.
We stood in line.
To swim. They swim in the pool.
They swim in the pool.
They swam in the pool.
They swam in the pool.
To take. She takes notes.
She takes notes.
She took notes.
She took notes.
To teach. I teach English.
I teach English.
I taught English.
I taught English.
To tell. You tell a story.
You tell a story.
You told a story.
You told a story.
To think. He thinks deeply.
He thinks deeply.
He thought deeply.
He thought deeply.
To understand. We understand the topic.
We understand the topic.
We understood the topic.
We understood the topic.
To wake. They wake up early.
They wake up early.
They woke up early.
They woke up early.
To wear. She wears a jacket.
She wears a jacket.
She wore a jacket.
She wore a jacket.
To win. I win the game.
I win the game.
I won the game.
I won the game.